Hi, this is Jonesie with Jetters Northwest, and here to talk about the newest addition to our BRUTE Jetter lineup, the BRUTE POWERSLIDE package. Now we call it the POWERSLIDE because obviously it's on a powered slide-out base. But more than that, we've been asked several times to create an all-in-one skid that is ready to slide into a van or enclosed trailer that includes the water tank, built-in, plumbed up, ready to go with pretty much all the options. That's what we have here in the BRUTE POWERSLIDE. And of course, the excellent feature of being able to extend the unit out of the van. So let's talk about the benefits of a POWERSLIDE setup. So I hit the button here and I bring the jetter out. Let's start with operation. I'm basically now allowing the engine and whatnot to run cooler. We get easy air access to the engine, which very commonly these are air-cooled engines in these style of jetters. And we've also brought the exhaust extension out of the van. Now, you can still run this jetter in the van. You do not have to extend it, but there's some cooling benefits of running outside. Of course, we're getting the exhaust further away from the inside area of the van. But often when we have normal BRUTE installations, again, this is the most popular install, is where guys take a BRUTE jetter and a water tank and put them in the side door access of a van or enclosed trailer or even a box truck. Well, often we've said if you do that when you're running, you should open the back door and create some air circulation. Well, we don't have to open the back doors now because we're getting nice air right here. And a lot of guys have said, I don't want to open my back doors. You know, things get stolen, or, hey, I got great logoing in the back of my van. I open the doors, nobody can see it, okay? Don't have to do that now. Also, for those of you who operate your jetter in hotter climates or certainly hot times of year, getting the jetter extended out for cooling can certainly help. Another great reason for the POWERSLIDE base to be extended is for maintenance access. I mean, being real here, we know a lot of guys have your vans chock full of stuff or an enclosed trailer just so full that it can be really hard to just do your basic daily maintenances, much less do a service down the road. So as I got the jetter extended here, I can take a look at all my oils, whether it's engine oil, pump oil, the transmission gearbox oil. That viewer for the gearbox is all the way over here. And a lot of guys will have the jetters packed up against the bulkhead and you just can't see it. So in this, I get an easy, quick look at it. I've got my oil fill for the engine over on this side, and I've got my oil filter on this side. All those become easily accessible, and actually it allows you to move the jetters a little bit closer to the bulkhead. If you're always going to run the jetter outside of the van, well, you can get just a little bit closer to the bulkhead. If you do want to run it inside the van, we always recommend you maintain at least an 8-inch space in this area so that the exhaust doesn't heat up anything in here. But back to maintenance, we all got to check our oils. We've always had the water filter out front and nice and easy. You can use this as a drain. We also have a quick drain over here, but this also makes it easy just to fuel it up. You can just reach up here, the fuel tank's on top from either side, and reach the fuel nozzle up and fill up the jetter. And lastly, you got nice access to your nozzle box. Reach in here, pull out your nozzles or what else you got stored in the mini toolbox. All these are to make things easier for you. And you know, we want maintenance to be easy. Every jetter in the world has daily maintenance checks you got to do. And if they're not easy to do, they don't often get done. When the jetter's power slid out, those maintenance checks are more often done. And of course, that helps the longevity of your jetter. Now also with the jetter extended, it makes the winterization process that much easier because of the access. Now, what is winterization when it comes to the BRUTE jetter? Well, again, in the POWERSLIDE package, we have a built-in water tank, 100 gallons, but the BRUTE still has its buffer tank, which now becomes an antifreeze reservoir for those that work in climates where you can have freezing temperatures, and most of us do. And one of the factors there, we've got to reach in and switch a couple of valves so we're drawing from the antifreeze tank to purge all the water out instead of drawing from the water tank. And I can just reach back here with one hand, open that valve, move the bypass valve. Everything's in position to do the winterization. And that can sometimes be tough when the jetter's, again, all packed in with stuff around it. Now it's extended, that makes that much easier. Now with the BRUTE POWERSLIDE package, we've pretty much included all the options. Number one, of course, is our wireless remote control. Our BRUTE wireless remote controls engine on off, engine throttle up down, which of course is pressure up down, and most importantly, jetting on off. We've also got our adjustable speed powered hose reel control, where we can adjust the speed of the wind up and the unwind. And of course, on the remote with that, we have a push button for the hose reel. Putting that back, also on our hose reel, we've got our new, more compact 4-roller hose guide. This is nice as you pull the hose off the machine. It keeps the hose contained so it's not flopping back over the hose reel. And we've got our new nozzle bar on here holding up to 5 different nozzles for your convenience. Point being, we want this unit to have every convenience option for your productivity ready to go, all in one unit, ready to slide into the truck. Now, speaking of conveniences, of course, we've got our hose holder. Again, we've got our drain right out front, and when you have the jetter extended, you're draining right to the ground with a quick drain. We've extended the water hose inlet right out here to the panel, making it real easy for you to hook up water that's going to fill up the water tank in the back. And of course, the water tank, as all of our water tanks do, has a float valve. So just like a toilet tank, the tank will stop filling when it's full. There's a little screen there. You can always clean the pre-screen. It's right nice and handy. But also with this jetter, I want to show you just really how durable and sturdy this extending base is, because that's very important. I can just get up here, hang on the machine. You don't see any flex on that base. You see the truck moving around, but that slide base is not flexing at all. And of course, when the job's done, you can easily just move the jetter back in, get set up to go on to your next job. Well, there you have it again, the BRUTE POWERSLIDE package from Jetters Northwest, a unit that's all pre-assembled with water tank on a sliding skid, more compact with pretty much all the options. Give us a call at Jetters Northwest, reach out to your local dealer, and let's get you set up with the BRUTE POWERSLIDE so you can get out there and get jetting. Thanks for watching.